Okay, in the last couple of tutorials we've been looking at how to adjust the calendar's appearance and behavior by adding some code here into the init methods embed point. Everything that you add here will only run as the control initializes, so it's a once-off thing. But what if we want to change this behavior at runtime? In other words, dynamically after the control has opened up. Well, that's pretty easy. Let's go and take a look. If we go to our window, you'll see I've now added two buttons at the bottom, a button called Theme 1 and a button called Theme 2. If we go and look at the code behind those buttons, you'll see all that I'm doing is I'm setting properties like I was in the init method. We have a property called the calendar background color, the calendar primary horizontal line color, and the calendar secondary horizontal line color. I've just set these three properties to a color or various color values. You could set these to any valid color values that you like. The important thing is once you have set whatever properties you want to set, we then call JCal's draw calendar method. That basically refreshes the calendar or redraws the calendar and applies whatever you have, whatever settings you have changed. The second button, exactly the same thing. I have just used different color values for those three properties. Alright, let's compile that and take a look. Okay, there's our calendar with all the default settings. So everything that you put into the init method has been applied, and this is your opening calendar. If I click on the Theme 1 button, it will change those three color values and redraw the calendar. There we go. Similarly, the Theme 2 button changes the colors, and I can flick between these very smoothly. Notice there's absolutely no flicker. This is highly optimized code. One more thing while we're here. I'm going into the Theme 2 button and I'm going to add some code which we used earlier on in the init method. We're now going to use it here, just to show you that you can set the same properties in the init method or at runtime, so long as you call draw calendar once you have changed any of these properties. Here we're just changing the default font used in JCal, and we're changing the default font size as well. Again, all of these properties are documented, and the JCal does come with a bunch of examples and so forth. Let's run that. Theme 1 will just change the colors. Theme 2 will now change the colors and the default font. How cool is that? Okay, thanks for watching. Yeah, more next time.